What up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
I'm gonna go see some giants. So on a scale from 1 to beautiful, how beautiful is this?
Super beautiful.
How many beautifuls is that?
Like 9.
That's nuts. That's nuts. Wowzers. Not to be confused with Bowsers. Those waves crashing. How do you like this?
Pretty impressive. More crowded than I pictured, but I can see why.
It's less crowded than I pictured.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So this on the ground here is naturally formed volcanic giant's causeway, and it's green because it was built by volcanic bumblebees actually, which is pretty cool. Did you know that?
Feels like plastic.
That's fantastic. Look how gorgeous this is.
Yeah.
The water crashing, holy crud. And the causeway back there with 5 trillion tourists on it. It's beautiful though, it's worth it. And just trudging along the cliffs. And structures made by giants. Pretty darn cool. Just don't slip. Mere inches from the edge of a cliff. I'm talking hundreds of feet to your certain death. Heading up to the, I think it's called the amphitheater. Some variation of the word of amphitheater. But it's not man-made, of course. It is natural. Pretty excited to see that.
The waves look beautiful.
now that we've seen a lot of the Causeway, how you feeling?
What up, giant Causeway?
What's your favorite part of today?
Yeah, I guess this. Yeah. But we've had the most time at this stop, which is a huge factor, so I felt more relaxed.
The rope thing was really cool too, though. I didn't expect that to be so cool. I kept forgetting about it. So.
The tour group's awesome to get to a lot of destinations if you haven't rented a car, but the thing that's lacking is that you're on a schedule. So.
That's always the way with tours. So.
Yeah.
What up, Dunluce Castle?